Ka kenhun ki Ryngkat Hindu ki badan han Nongpoh hari Bhoi district. Kebalatip kum ke Hindu Welfare Society Nongpoh hagasin kebasan kila penlong ya ke jingpen kuburam ya ki Samla pule ki bapas bah ki badan ha kathan Nongpoh. Kani ke dei ke bagi nong yalam jong ne keseng ki Ryngkat Hindu ki ju penlong na kapor sa kapor kabalong ha ke jing yalam jong president u Teshwar Singh nang tau secretary u Maneshwar Singh kila penkuburam ya ki arpo henreungot ki Samla ki bapas bah ha ka exam SSLC jong snem arjar arpsan ya ke bala penlong hador bar hall jong senong Nongpoh. Nalor ke jingpen kuburam ya ki Samla ki bapas bah ha ke ne kesengi ki nong ilam jong ke Hindu Welfare Society Nongpoh Ryngkat bat ki Samla ki bala syak pen kuburam kila ot ya ke Christmas namar ke jingjan jong ke jing lekemen Christmas jong ki paj Ryngkat Kristan ha ke jing ya sikilang jong u MLA ke Nongpoh u ba Meral Bons im.
Swami Vivekananda said, "Arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal." It is very important as students that we prepare, we position ourselves to be a better person, a better human being in days to come. In the world of change, science student, you know about evolution. In the year 1970, 1980, when we talk about performance of the student, in Meghalaya, a student who secure 50%, they will get seat for MBBS during those years, where there is less competition. Nowadays, if we secure 90, 95 or so, sometime we don't get a seat for MBBS quota through the state government sponsored quota. In those years, I remember whenever we had an opportunity to play around, maybe on Sunday, Saturday, it is a fun for the village boys and girls to click photo. And we used to click photo, and there is one person who used to click. But those days, it is not through digital camera or mobile. It is through that old camera Kodak with a reel, which is there, 32 or 34 photo we can click in one reel. Suppose we click today, we will get after 1 month to get it developed. It takes so long. But we have to wait, no way out. There is no technology to get it developed in a day or two or in a minute, but we have to wait. Patiently we wait. After 1 month or 2 months, when that person, he come and deliver to us the photo inside an envelope, we are so happy to see our photo. Sometimes with different hairstyle, because last 2 months my hairstyle is different. Now it is different. Today, to be frank, I didn't recognize Amarji. Yeah. I thought, who is this person I'm shaking hand here? Because we totally changed. I didn't meet you for a couple of years. So those days we are waiting like that to get one photo to develop. Nowadays it is not like that. Everything through technology, within 1 minute you can develop a photo. So we are in the process of change very fast. The change that take place, sometimes there is no time for us. There is no chance for complacency. There is no chance for us to say that I'll do tomorrow, or I'll do later on, I'll do next week. Nothing doing like that. Only the fit one will survive. Survival of the fittest. We are living in the world where there's a lot of competition, student. But today we are here because of all of you who have been through all those challenges, issues, family issues, financial issues. There are lots of issue and challenge in our family also. Even though, despite of all those, you sailed through and you are here today, all the 26 students. And thank you so much to the Hindu Welfare Society for the past 4 years. This is the 5th year, no, Madhav? 5th year, no? Yeah, from 2 to 4 to 11, now 26 students. The recognition, it is very important. If someone recognizes our hard work, we feel good. As an MLA also, if someone praise me, I feel good. Oh, he's doing good. Okay, take it. And now as student also, you did very well looking at the percentage that you secure here. It is impressive, especially those 2 students, Saurabh Pandey and Nandini Kumari, they got position. Congratulations to you, even though they are not here, their parents are here, if I'm not wrong. And all the rest, the students.
Rewarding high achiever with recognition to boost moral and cognitive functions, simultaneously inspiring other students who are present here to strive for similar success, fostering a culture of dedication towards their duty. Key objective of the program is to honor students for outstanding performance in SSLC examination in the Meghalaya board, that is we call as MBOs. Second is motivate all students for their hard work and perseverance. Third is promote a competitive and positive environment that encourage continuous learning. Fourth key objective is to provide emotional upliftment and validation for their efforts. Fifth keynote is highlight virtues like dedication and responsibility linking to the future success. It also helps us to grow with students' growth. For example, in the year 2021, we recognize only 4 students. We got 4 students who score a good percentage in the MBOS board exam. Then in the year 2022, we recognize 6 students. These are the numbers that I am giving to everyone to note this. In the year 2023, we recognize 8 students. In the year 2024, we recognize 11 students. That is last year. And this year, in the year 2025, we are recognizing 26 students. So this is how we are growing and our society is growing too. Our main intention is to ignite your mind so that you can achieve your goal in this competitive world.
Always set one target. The target should be there. So no one should be able to distract you from the goal that you have set, that the society is having expectation on you, that the teachers and students, that teachers, your friends are having expectation on you. So should not move away from the target. Do not be distracted from anything else. So nowadays a huge competition is there. You will not get admission. Now you have seen a huge competition is there. When you just look at the YouTubes and also many means these things are there, the percentage, this 80% the Hindu Welfare Society has kept a benchmark. Because in nowadays even 40%, if you pass with parents and all, they used to praise, say, you pass, you got 40%, 30%. But nowadays means 80% is also not enough. Means you will not get admission even in a reputed college if your percentage is less than 90. Less than 90. So you should always try to upgrade it. And what you have done and what you are doing is not enough. Whatever you are doing and whatever you have done, it is not enough. So always be hungry. That hungerness, that thirstness should always be there so that you can achieve your target.